how to set up Google Authenticator on Bitget. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to authenticate or have a two-way authentication on your Bitget account. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to log into your Bitget, of course, and click on the icon over here on the top left. Over here, click on your profile or the one with the arrow over here on the right side, this section. Select this, and then simply click on Security. In this page, you will be able to see that you have Google Authenticator. Simply select that and click on Next, and you're simply going to scan the QR code below, or you could enter the following code over here manually into your Google Authenticator. So this is what our Google Authenticator looks like. So simply click on the plus icon. Then you could either scan a QR code or enter the setup key that we saw earlier. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.